Hi, my name is Amanda Pfaffenbach, and I'm currently a senior in the American Women's College at Bay Path. This is my action research project on spreading positivity. Why spread positivity? From personal experience, I've learned that having a more positive mindset helps me to look at life and other things better. I am in a better mood and place when I am positive. Also, it helps me feeling like the best version of myself. It helps to manage my emotions and helps to give me a better outlook on life. I've learned over time that the people we are around in our environments can affect how we are feeling, so we want to put ourselves in environments that will bring us positivity. I work in an elementary school right now. Our school is pre-K through 2nd grade. And with everything going on this year, it seems like positivity can be a hard thing to come by, so I wanted to help spread positivity to the children at my school to help with their emotions and their learning experiences. Starting last year and this past year, it seems like they've lost so much with not being able to come to school, so I want to do what I can to try and bring great experiences to them in this time. For my action research project, I wanted to pick a part of the school to decorate. One space I know all the children use every day is the bathrooms. Currently, we have 4 main bathrooms in our school, 2 for boys, 2 for girls. Even though our school is remote right now, we do still have a couple students there, and we're planning to go back hybrid in January, so I thought right now would be the perfect time to decorate those so when they come back to school, they'll be surprised and they'll instantly have a colorful, positive experience with them. The things I want to add to the bathroom are I want to add positive sayings, and I want to create themes that children enjoy seeing in each bathroom. To create my themes, I did surveys. I asked a couple teachers if they could survey their students during class, and they were more than happy to agree. For the boys, I gave topics such as superheroes, outer space, sports, and then other topics I gave cars, other TV shows they like. I know like Paw Patrol and Disney. From the results, I gathered that the 2 top ones were superheroes and outer space. So with these 2 top topics, I figured I could put each one in each bathroom. For girls, I did similar, but I chose other topics such as rainbows, flowers, Disney. I also did unicorns and other TV shows, which is in the other category. From this, the top 2 were rainbows and flowers that I chose. So I decided to take each one of those and choose those as themes for the 2 bathrooms. In the first bathroom is the superhero theme. This bathroom is located in our 2nd grade hallway, but is used when all the children go to lunch. For it, I bought decals of the superheroes on Amazon, as you can see right here, and each one is a superhero and it says their strength. It says worthiness, strength, honesty, and honor. I also had the pleasure of teaming up with one of my fellow coworkers, who was more than happy to help me with this, and she helped me paint pictures for the bathrooms. We painted one that said there's a superhero in all of us, we just need courage to put on the cape, said by Superman. She also helped draw these little signs that we figured would be fun for the kids to look at. One says, wash your hands like our hero Captain America. The others say, even the Hulk washes his hands, and Hawkeye never misses the trash. We figured that these would be fun for the kids to look at because we know that superheroes are one of the things they look up to and they aspire to be. For the other boys' bathrooms, I went with the outer space theme. For this one, I decided to buy a big rocket, put some planets around. Then I also found these 4 pictures with the sayings on them: be kind, be yourself, be brave, and be curious. Those are the things we're always wanting to teach our kids. To be kind, be brave, always be curious, just to be themselves because they're the best people they can be. And then we also came up with a little drawing and we put spread kindness, not germs. Please wash your hands. For the girls' bathroom, I went with this sort of rainbow colorful theme. I found this saying on Etsy and it says, be brave, be creative, be kind, be thankful, be you. And then for this I decided to incorporate a little Tinkerbell drawing. It said, leave a little sparkle wherever you go, keep your bathroom clean. For the last bathroom, I wasn't able to go in there and decorate due to COVID. Our school did shut down, so I have to finish it next week when we reopen. But these were the decals I bought for it. I bought flowers saying "Be brave, be bold, be beautiful." And then we made another little sign to remind them to wash their hands. After all the bathrooms, I took the pictures that I showed you here, and I sent them to the teachers I originally asked the surveys for, and they showed them to their kids. I asked the teachers if they could get some reactions from the kids, and one of the teachers got a couple of words from each child, so I decided to make a word wall with them. Some of the words that they wrote were colorful, smile, exciting, super cool, makes me smile, awesome, very pretty, rainbow, amazing, happy, artwork. What I learned from this project is positive mindset spreads to others. Because when I started telling people about this project, I instantly saw smiles on everyone's faces, and it kind of lifted their mood. So I saw just from coming up with this idea, it automatically helped to bring that positivity level up. Also, I saw that it brought people closer and built a team. When I came to my coworkers about this idea, they were more than happy to help in any way, and it created this bond between us that had us working together and working as a team to do what we could that was best for the children. And also, it didn't only help build us team members with the staff, it also helped us create those connections with the students by getting them involved and asking what they wanted to see in their bathrooms. My next step after this project is to decorate more of the school. After I had finished, my principal and staff, they were very excited about the results. They even said they wanted to start decorating more of the hallways before our students come back in January. Also, speaking with the guidance counselors that I'm close with, we decided we wanted to start working together to implement positive mindsets in classrooms. We figured maybe once a month we could start doing assemblies or read a book about kindness and positive mindset to the children, and kind of keep reminding them about this. My takeaways from my project were that the staff and students felt connected. In a time when we can't be with each other or with each other remote right now, it helped us to feel connected, even though we're not physically seeing each other. We helped come up with ideas together, come up with the product, and get input from each other. It helped to bring a positive environment. By putting up those decorations, I know the students are going to be so happy when they get back and get to see what they came up with in the bathrooms. And I learned that taking one small step leads to other steps. All you have to do is come up with one small idea, get it to start working, and then as you start getting that idea working, you can see that you can take another step in another direction and keep growing your idea and growing it. There's always more and more we can do. Thank you very much for listening to my project on spreading positivity. I had an amazing time doing this project, and I learned so much.